And welcome to Villarive. This is a new listing for nearly September 2020. Okay, and this is the top terrace where all the living accommodation is located, and obviously you've got a fantastic lake view, Mount Maroma, large terrace with aluminium pergola, which is obviously very low maintenance. Quite expensive to install. There's barbecue there with chimney, which has never been used, and you've got this nice covered terrace here with seating, which overlooks a 100% private shaped pool. Okay, so it's got the feature compass there in the bottom, with a nice amount of terrace around it, and obviously all the way around in front of the property here. Okay, so there's a large retaining wall, which is the access road just down there. Okay, and obviously that's where you get your elevated views. Now obviously there's a number of steps to get up to this level. Yeah, this property has got quite a modern kind of feel to it. You've got storage cupboard there, that's for all your outdoor furniture, cushions, what have you. There's external stairs leading to the pool terrace from just down there, and then we can see the other steps which access from the parking area, and you've got these big kind of stepped terraces leading up to a garden at the back of the property where there's a water deposito. There's your front door and main porch is just to the left hand side here. So it's been done kind of mainly low maintenance, to be honest. The automatic irrigation is in, and it's a 3-bed, 2-bath property, it's a 3-bed, 3-bath property, which has been a holiday home, and as you can see, there's quite a different kind of look inside this property. I think the lady owner is interior designer of some sort, and yeah, we've got this nice feature wall here which has got the electric burner on it for the winter. There is the actual chimney. Okay, that's a proper chimney for the winter, which you could obviously have open fire or indeed a wood burner put in. Here is the main front door, solid wood, been painted. Okay, and then here is the upstairs toilet, cloakroom and sink. A lot of retiling has been done, both on the floors, in the bathrooms. Okay, you got this nice vaulted ceiling with the beams just as a feature, and then obviously everything, you got 2 patio doors lead out onto the view and the terrace, both open and covered terraces. Okay, so modern kitchen again. This is a good high quality kitchen. It's got the specs within the work surface there, all kind of bespoke sizes, shapes, plenty of storage. There's dishwasher installed, American fridge freezer, oven, microwave, and then that door leads out again onto stairs which lead down to the pool area. So very quirky, very kind of modern, some nice bright colours throughout the property. Good condition throughout. The owners currently haven't been here due to COVID for some time, so excuse any bedrooms that are not 100% prepared. But we have the marble staircase leading down. Again, this was all retiled. Okay, so modernised bathroom, that's the general bathroom. It's got a lovely inset there with the lights in. Nice feature kind of glass screen for the shower. Lots of thought been put into it. And then we've got 3 bedrooms down here. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. They all have fitted wardrobes, ceiling fans as well. The other 2 bedrooms have access straight out onto the pool terrace through patio doors. So master bedroom. Again, this is a good sized room, this. Loads of storage and wardrobe space. Again, patio doors, there's air conditioning, Daikin unit, which is good, high quality. And then a modernised shower ensuite, which again has got kind of feature sink there. Corner shower, which is oversized. Extractor fan and toilets. And so these two front bedrooms, that's the stairs that lead back up to the terrace. You've got guttering in for when it does rain. So we're on the slightly lower terrace now, still a fantastic lake view. And obviously we've got the pool here, which has got that retaining wall and 100% privacy. That's the main factor. We've also got a large utility room stroke kind of kitchen really, which services the pool, okay, because it's on a different level to the main kitchen upstairs. So you've got fridges, you've got washing machines, dryer, dishwasher, water, electric, okay, so basically like a kitchen to service the pool terrace. So good sized pool, this, shaped, good condition again. Got outdoor lighting throughout, the view, and again 100% privacy. That's kind of a main factor. Obviously we're on an urbanization whereby we've got all main services, new tarmac roads, water, electric, all mains, and obviously with that comes smaller plots, which obviously normally you're going to lose a bit of privacy. But with this one, it's a extra large plot, and the location of the pool gives it 100% privacy. Okay, so the gardens are at the top here, so they're all fully irrigated. There's a little storeroom just behind us there, quite useful. And again, nice established gardens, some brick walls, and then the entrance is down below there, whereby you got off-road parking, all gated and secured, and some nice feature terraces with a fantastic view. So if you want further details, contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed through the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.